Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to change your checkout page from this so many items for you to fill over here to just this one over here. Okay, so you're gonna have some few items to fill, so you're just gonna have your your name, the town and city, the phone, and then your email address. And then maybe if the person have additional additional message, and then the person can also add it over here. Okay, then that is all for you to do. So I'm just going to use a plugin to be able to help us do this feature over here. So as you can see, the default checkout page for WordPress have a lot of things which maybe when you're having a digital product you want to let people just download or pay a small cash of money for people to download the digital product, then you're gonna have so many things for you to fill over here. So we are going to remove the irrelevant things we don't need and then leave the rest that we need. Okay, so that is exactly what we are going to do. So if you are new over here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. We are growing small, but help us to grow the channel together. Okay, so share the link and then also subscribe to the channel. Okay, so now let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so to be able to make this thing happen, what we are going to do is we're going to go to our dashboard over here. Okay, so we will scroll down to plugins over here. So hover on plugins and then we're going to install a new plugin. So we're going to click on add new over here. So click on add new, and then it's going to take you to the plugins directory. Okay, now we're going to search for checkout field editor. So just search for checkout field editor. Okay, checkout field editor. Now there are a lot of checkout field editors over here, but what we're going to use we're going to use this one over here. Okay, which says checkout field editor, checkout manager for WooCommerce. So just click on install over here to install it, and then click on activate to activate it. Now we have installed the checkout field for WooCommerce. Now the next thing that we're going to do is you can click on settings over here at the plugin side, or you can go to, I think, WooCommerce or so. Yeah, WooCommerce over here, and then you see checkout form. Okay, checkout form over here, just click on it. Now you're gonna see a whole lot of things over here. Now as you can see, I've already deactivated some of them because I already installed this plugin to test it to see if everything works perfectly. But of course you can enable all of them to see how all of them work. So this is how it is supposed to be. Okay, now what you want to disable, you can do it, disable it. You can even edit everything over here. So as you can see, you can go ahead and then disable some of them. Some of them you can edit, some of them you cannot edit. Okay, so for instance, if you want to edit the first name, you can click over here and then edit the label over here. You can edit the label over here. You can even change a class. Okay, you can even make it required or not required, and then you can save it. Okay, so let's say you don't want two different forms like this which says first name and last name, but you want just a complete name over here which says full name. Okay, so you can decide to change this one to full name. You can decide to change this one to full name, and then you can save it over here. Okay, so now you can go ahead, and then if you want to maybe deactivate especially this one over here, you can go ahead and then disable it if that is what you want. So you can go ahead and then let's say disable the last name. Okay, and then you can go ahead and then let's say enable this ones. If you want to enable some of them, if you want to disable them, you can do so by what, by just taking over here and then clicking on enable or disable, okay, depending on what you want to do. But of course, I want to disable this one. So I'll click on disable to disable. I don't want the billing country, I don't want the billing address, all these things I don't want. I want the city, so I will enable it. So make sure that the city. If you want the country or the state also, you can enable it. If you want the country, you can go ahead. Let's say I want to know the country. I want to enable the country, so I can go ahead and enable the country over here. And then as you can see, all of them, it's okay for me, okay. And then I can just click, and I click over here to save it, or go ahead and click over here to save it. So I'm going to click on save changes. Okay guys, so now I have I have all this one done over here, okay. So I think I need to disable this one, okay. I want to disable the billing last name, and then save the changes and see if it will work. If it doesn't work, then it means that I cannot disable that one, okay. So I don't know why it keeps, yeah. So I have disabled that one. It works perfectly. So now if I go over here and then I click on refresh over here, I'm supposed to see what I have done. So as you can see, I have the full name over here, okay. I have the country over here, I have the town, I have the I have the phone, the phone number, I have the email address, and these are the details that I really want over here, okay. So guys, this is how you can be able to do it. Now of course there are a lot of settings over here. Now if you want to go to shipping, okay, now on this website I have deactivated shipping because I am not using shipping. So as you can see, there is no shipping working over here, okay. And then also if you go to additional settings over here, now of course if you want to disable the additional settings, you can also go ahead, click on this one over here, and then click on disable, okay. Now you're not going to have any additional information, area, text area over there for you to be able to use it. So if you go over here, this additional over here, okay, which is optional, if you disable it like we've done, okay, so far, let's wait for it to refresh yourself and see. Yeah, so now let's go and then refresh it, and then you realize that the additional area will also not be shown, okay. So let's wait for it to load for us, and then if you go down, there is no additional area over here. And that is how you can be able to use this plugin to be able to hide some checkout fields that you want to so you use it to edit the checkout field for your digital product and other stuff, okay. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. My name is Kobe. Please like and subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video also. This helps me for YouTube to recognize my channel, for us to grow together. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.